This tutorial will show you how to make a Halloween themed spiderweb pillow that you can use for your fall or Halloween aesthetic. You can download the free pattern for this by following the link in the description below. Start by sewing your ric-rac, ribbon, lace, or whatever other type of white line trim you have along the stitch lines indicated on the pattern. Now you want to cut out 6 triangles. Alternate the triangles, one pointing up, one pointing down, and so on. This will keep the white trim from lining up exactly on all of the pieces so that you have a more spiderweb-like effect on your final pillow. Now you want to set up your triangles in groups of 3 and sew them together with white piping between the layers. After that, you want to sew the 2 sides of the hexagon together with a line of white piping in the center. Repeat that process for the other side of the pillow. Now we want to sew the front and back of the pillow together with right sides together. Be sure to leave a gap at the bottom of the pillow so that you can turn it to the right side. Once sewn, you want to clip the corners and turn it right side out. Now it's time to stuff the pillow. You can use whatever you want to stuff your pillow. I like to use leftover fabric scraps, but you can always use a more traditional pillow stuffing material, like something like polyfill. After that, all you have to do is hand sew the gap closed, and you're finished. You have a cool new spiderweb pillow.